What are the benefits of running 30 minutes a day? Can you run for half an hour and lose weight? Today we want to go into detail about the advantages of running 30 minutes a day, so keep watching this video till the end. The benefits of running 30 minutes a day reach two main dimensions: mental and physical fitness. Firstly, running loses weight, especially running for 30 minutes every day, because it increases the daily burning of calories, thus reducing the accumulation of fat in our body. Secondly, it helps to strengthen your heart and raise the quantity of red blood cells in your body. Your heart, like your muscles, strengthens with time. According to research, people who exercise for 30 minutes a day lowered their risk of heart disease by nearly half when compared to sedentary people. The third thing you will experience after running will be an increase in endorphins, a hormone released by your body that is commonly referred to as the feel-good hormone, produced naturally by the neurological system to cope with pain or stress. You will experience a little sense of euphoria as the concentration of endorphins in your body grows. Running will also enhance your immunity by raising red blood cell and hemoglobin levels in our blood. Going for a run promotes circulation, which results in clear skin and more oxygenated and refreshed body. Those who were most active because they exercised and ran daily were the least likely to die of any type of cancer, especially intestinal or lung cancer. Studies show that running can even help to partially regenerate liver cells. These are the main advantages, but there are more. Now let's talk about the risk of running every day. Follow these easy guidelines to avoid running injuries. Purchase running shoes. Regular shoes are not meant for jogging and will not keep you safe. Gradually increase the weight. Add something new to your routines, such as swimming or cycling. Perform workouts for various muscle groups. Warm up before you work out and stretch afterwards. Find a coach who will point out your technical flaws and assist you in correcting them. Not allowing the body to rest correctly might cause it to become more weaker and, as a result, have a higher risk of injury when running. Therefore, you must obtain the necessary rest. Ideally, do 1 day of training and 1 day of rest to ensure that you are giving your body the care it needs. However, there is nothing better than listening to your body. If you feel any pain or discomfort while training, stop the activity immediately and rest. Never force it because it could be worse. If you liked this video, don't forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.